What's up guys, welcome back to BASK Tech. My name is Bogdan and today with me I've got the Razer DeathAdder version 2. Let's check it out. The DeathAdder version 2 is an ergonomic, right-handed mouse with a high curved profile and textured grips on each side. The button layout is pretty much the same as before. We have 8 buttons, 2 customizable on the side, 2 on top next to the wheel, 1 on the bottom for macro. This is the lightest DeathAdder yet, weighing in at 85 grams. Razer also upgraded the mouse sensor. The latest Razer sensor is dubbed Focus Plus, and this one does up to 20,000 dpi instead of the 16,000 dpi hit by Razer's last sensor, the PMW3389. The gliding feet on the bottom of the mouse are also made of a new material that glides with less friction. The new SpeedFlex cable is softer than any cable I've ever seen. It's supple, it doesn't kink, it doesn't tangle, it doesn't catch on anything. There's RGB lighting on the scroll wheel and on the Razer logo. To control this lighting as well as other important mouse features, you'll need to use the Razer Synapse software. This feature-rich program has plenty of options, particularly if you want to create your own light patterns or sync the mouse with Philips Hue smart light bulbs. The Razer Synapse software is easy to use. You'll be able to change RGB brightness, the colors, customize profiles, change your DPI settings, and much more. Here you can see it side by side with my Logitech G403 mouse. You can see it's a bit bigger, but it's also much lighter. Saying that, the G403 has the option to add the weights to it. A feature that I quite like, as I don't like my mice to be very light. Right, so that was my review of the Razer DeathAdder version 2. Overall, great gaming mouse. I mean, there's a reason that Razer sold 10 million copies of the previous version, and the version 2 only improves what was already good in the first version. If you want to buy this mouse, there's a link in the description below. It's an Amazon affiliate link, so that means I will get a small percentage if you purchase through that link. That helps the channel a lot. Subscribe to the channel guys, like the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.